All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about drop shadow. So let's head over to our layers panel here and click on effects. I'm going to go down to, I'm going to turn off outer glow and go to drop shadow. And let's add a little distance, a little spread, a little size to that, and do normal. And change the angle a little bit and update the quality. And let's change the color so we can see it. You can adjust the contour so we can go different directions here. And you'll see in the preview how it's going to look. Okay, so I'll leave it like that. I'm going to make this a new style, so let's call this Cool Drop Shadow Effects. If I could spell, there we go. I'll hit OK. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the text tool and let's make this white. So let's just call this text. I'll save it. And then I'm going to add this effect to it. Whoa. Okay, so you can see how cool our effect looks there. We can't even read it, which is fine. I'm going to grab the move tool and drag it down and then turn the effect off. And then we'll change the color. Let's make it red. Hit Control T to select it and then bring it up. And then you can just place it over the top. And now you can see kind of the cool effect that you can add to your text. All right, so that's drop shadow. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.